What's up, guys? We got another Muln video. Very exciting day. Right now we're sitting at just over 31 cents. It's crazy to think about that just 4 days ago we were sitting at 19 cents. Now if you saw my video right here, I let everybody know that this is a buying zone, okay? This was 4 days ago at 19 cents. If you took my advice, which you never have to take my advice, you definitely got to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but you would have made a profit of almost 100%, okay? 19 cents, we hit an all-time high of 40 cents today. Very exciting, very exciting news. So we're gonna get a little bit into the news for Muln, really what happened, why did we go up so much today? We're gonna be getting into some technical analysis because I wanna show you guys what I was telling you a couple days ago with the falling wedges, with past things that have happened, talking about the RSI. These are things that I've been saying on my videos. So if you're not a part of the Patreon, that's okay. If you just watch my videos on YouTube, you're probably getting a lot of value and a lot of this is starting to make sense for you. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate that. We are the #1 channel when it comes to Muln stock. I've been covering this stock for the last month and a half. We put videos out every single day for this company. So if you've been with me, I appreciate you. Throw in the comments what you're doing with Muln. I'm really interested in seeing what your plans are moving forward. Did you take profit? Did you buy more? I see we're coming down right now. I'm planning on buying more if we do dip even lower. What are your long-term plans? Guys, this is gonna be a longer video today. So if you wanna stay all the way through, feel free to. We're gonna be covering some amazing stuff. Of course, don't forget to grab your coffee. Here's mine, coffee cup from the cupboard, and Psalms 46:10, be still and know. Now I'm not saying that has to do anything with Muln, but have faith, have conviction in the decisions that you make in life and in the stock market. Let's go. I have been relentless with these videos on Muln. This is the video that I'm talking about. It was 3 days ago. I said, Muln stock is oversold. Is it time to buy? If you saw this video, maybe you bought, maybe you're happy today, maybe you didn't. Whatever you did, congrats. Hopefully you're having a great day today. As you can see, we made videos pretty much 1 day ago, 19 hours ago, 4 hours ago, 2 hours ago. So we're coming out with another video today on Muln. One thing really quick, you guys are hilarious. I will never make a Tesla video again. You have my word, I promise you. We have like 5 likes on it, and I said if we get to 100 likes, I will start covering Tesla more, so no more Tesla, but do me a favor, let's get this video over 200 likes today. If you are a Muln holder, make sure you like this video. Again, we wanna get this information out to more people, so liking the video helps the algorithm reach more people in the YouTube world, in the community, whatever it is, and we gotta get more people in Muln because the run has just started. Why did we touch 40 cents today? Yesterday, we were at 25 cents. So everyone thought the run yesterday was great, but today's run was even better. And yes, I took profits. I believe taking profits is a good thing to do, especially in a company you believe in that's very volatile, because you can buy back in if we go lower, which I plan to do. Check out my Patreon for my exact buy and sell alerts for all the stocks that I hold down below. So this is why Muln touched 40 cents today. Muln Automotive receives purchase order from Randy Marion Automotive Group for 6,000 Class 1 EV cargo vans. Now we just saw this news the other day that this company actually partnered with Muln, and they had some really good things to say about Muln, especially with Class 1 vehicles. You know, it's an underserved market right now. Not a lot of people are filling this need, but Muln is. And they actually purchased these vehicles, so transaction valued at approximately 200 million. That is some huge news, and that is why we ran today. The crazy thing is we actually halted during market open. They didn't open the market again until 20 minutes after the market opened for all the other companies out there. So once we opened, we shot all the way up to 35 cents, and then we touched an all-time high of 40 cents today. And now we're seeing some downside pressure. So every other day, I usually give you guys an update on how the charts look. I have been drawing all over this thing for the last couple of months. Now, right there can't really point to it. But before we had our big run up in October, okay, the exact date I'll tell you right now was October 19th, okay? We were breaking out of a falling wedge. The next day, we went through the roof, okay? Kind of like what we're seeing right now today. Then we hit an all-time high for that run of 61 cents, okay? And now you can see we've been coming down. And we've had little pops here and there on good news. And obviously there's been shorting and diluting in play. But what I made for you guys the other day, another video, was we are creating another falling wedge, an even bigger falling wedge, which you could see right there, okay? And I said on that video, we will see some massive movement from this wedge here shortly. The reason I was so confident in that, and I called that, was because, one, of how it was looking on the charts, but the second reason was the RSI. The RSI at the time, when we were just trading sideways, was making higher lows, okay? It was showing positive divergence. I honestly shouldn't be telling you this stuff. There's YouTubers out there that would teach you this and they would charge you to kind of just show you exactly what this is doing. So you're getting all this information for free. But you can see that blue arrow right there, okay? I said, hey, we're creating positive divergence. We will see a pop here very soon. And then 3 days ago, when I made that video saying this is a buying zone, nothing I say is financial advice, of course, but in a buying zone, we will see something big coming. My conviction in this company is very strong because of the research that I've done, how the chart looks, interviews that I've heard the CEO have, and he has stated that they have big news coming up, and this was about a month ago. So I always knew something was gonna pop, and I always knew that Muln will be a successful company, and I still think moving forward, we have a lot of room to grow. I don't think we're gonna just crash from here. Yes, we may have some pullbacks, but I know that we have a lot of room to grow. So as you can see, we obviously popped. So my prediction was correct, and we went up to 40 cents. All right, let's have an honest conversation of Muln Company, okay? It's a very volatile stock, right? It's a very new company. They have no production yet. They have no revenue. All they have is news and promises, but no guarantees. So that's why I've always said, I've been on both sides where I love the company. I have very strong belief that the company will succeed, but it's also very volatile. So you have to be smart with this stock, okay? If you don't care about the swings and you can just kind of buy this and never look at your portfolio ever again, then you're good. Open it up in a couple years and I'm sure you'll be happy. But if you like to understand more the technicals with this stock and with this company, then my Patreon is for you. Now, what I want to say with the company, like I've always said in every video, is they are an all EV company, which I like. We understand that our world is going into electric vehicles. We've seen Tesla dominate this sector of the market, okay? We have other companies that want to be big, like Lucid, like Neo, like Rivian, and all these companies. But I think Muln plays a different role in this space because of a couple things. One, their vehicles are cost efficient, I believe, okay? You can compare their 5 with the Tesla Model Y and it beats it in all areas. They have so many different types of vehicles that they could be profitable from, which is also why I like the company. They've acquired assets, okay? They've done this the smart way. They have new partnerships. They're hiring people from great companies like Ford and GM. Muln is a very risky play, but in the long run, I think this is a great company and I think they'll go pretty far. If you see my other videos, I keep saying they will be a top 5 EV company one day. So let's see what happens. If you're subscribed, I appreciate you. If you like this video, I appreciate you. This is probably way too cheap. There's 10 spots, it's $5 a month, okay? 3 people have already secured their spot. Other people have joined and then they canceled. They probably didn't see enough value. Totally fine. Join if you want. The next spot is $7 a month, 15 spots total. We also have a free Discord that'll link below if you want to join the community. Have a great day.